Ayushman Vasan. I am the Managing Director of Colmate India. So Colmate is a electronic accessories company that started in 1996. It was founded by my father, Mr. Atul Vasan. At that time, we were importing and assembling chargers and cables into India, and it is the same. It is a year after even sat phones and mobility devices were launched in India. So we can proudly claim that we are the first electronic accessories company to be founded in this country. So as you know that initially back in 1996 we only started with chargers and cables, but ever since we have really expanded our product range to over 1500 SKUs. Our product verticals now include portable chargers, wireless chargers, neck bands, other audio devices, and even some gadgets that are auxiliary and augmented from your initial handheld devices. Got it. So we have about 7 different categories. These categories are subdivided into portable chargers, cables, travel chargers, car chargers, holders, audio devices, and other gifting items. So, as anyone who hasn't been living under a rock can tell that over the last 20 years, the electronics and smart devices industry has really boomed. And you don't need to be an electronic accessories company to understand how fast the innovation and new products and technology is coming into not only this country but world over. So we want to facilitate that transfer into Indian market as well. We pride ourselves in being at the forefront of bringing in other innovative products and features and technology that the Indian segment can use on their personal devices. So, as you would know, that obsolescence is a big criteria that we have to really account for while doing our inventory control and even doing our product launches. So, since technology, especially in the electronics segment, changes so rapidly, we need to really account for how much inventory we need to use for which all devices. But it is a very good thing for our company that we have literally ridden the wave, that we are able to bring so many different products on a month-to-month basis and add it into our catalog and our product suite. So we are very headstrong in 3 of these categories that are our very strong product verticals. These are portable chargers, neck bands, and even travel chargers. So as you know, 3 years ago, 2 ampere was the protocol speed that all the smartphones being launched were compatible with. Today it has gone from 2 even 5 amperes, and the cables to charge your laptop and phone have become interchangeable, with tablets being one of them. So we have inculcated those new products into our catalog, and some new launches that you can see from Colmate this year is extremely heavy capacity power banks that we are looking to launch in tier 2 and tier 3 cities which might not have constant flow of normal electricity. So if you don't mind, I'll show you some items. This is our 80,000 mAh power bank. We are the first company in India to launch any portable charger above 35,000 mAh, and we have 3 different sub-IDs above 35,000 mAh, namely 40,000, 50,000 and 80,000. So this 80,000 power bank, which is not exactly portable, it weighs about 1.6 kgs, but it lasts people, as per feedback, 2 to 3 weeks of non-stop usage. So people charge it takes approximately 18 hours to charge, but people claim that they don't have to charge it again for another 14 to 20 days. It's exceeding that date. So This power bank, which obviously has a digital indicator, gives you 2.4 ampere of output. It has 4 ports in it. You can charge it with any of the 3 cables, Lightning, Micro and Type-C. Charge 4 devices simultaneously. You can even charge this power bank simultaneously with 3 inputs for faster charging. The fastest charging you can do for this is about 13 hours if you plug all 3 in with the 200 cable. Apart from portable chargers, we are also looking to increase capacity and play time for our audio devices as well. So for example, we have launched a 1000 mAh neckband. So neckband in India is actually a very trendy product, and we have seen a big increase in numbers and demand for neckbands as such. And slowly TWS, we believe, is going to replace those numbers and then take the industry forward from there. But as of now, the neckbands, this lasts up to 130 hours of non-stop play time. You can charge it once and you can use it for about 4 days non-stop at 70% volume on average. So we are very bullish about our capacity and the play time that we are charging, so that people are not just stuck with recharging their devices apart from their daily use of phones. Got it. So we have a 1-year warranty for any manufacturing defects, and people who have any issues with the product can either visit our service center in Karol Bagh, or they can send it into our head office in Mahipalpur, where we will investigate and then send the customer a jiffy replacement. We have about 25 to 35 super stockists and distributors placed all across the country. If people have bought an item that pertains to the area that is looked after by a specific distributor, they can directly go to that distributor, and if that product has not been externally damaged, and if it is indeed a manufacturing defect, they will get an instant replacement. So we are also definitely agree that India needs to be much more self-reliant than it is, not only in electronics domain but in all other aspects as well. It is very difficult to compete with China when it comes to that software-hardware bridge that India hasn't really been able to bridge the gap. Most of the Indian companies do end up importing their raw components and their chipsets and the lithium-ion batteries from China and Taiwan. We are not there yet that we can import all our parts from India, but Colmate has been on a drive over the last 3 to 4 years to slowly backward integrate as much raw material that we can do from Indian vendors instead. And we have been relatively successful in that domain. We have almost 70% of our raw material that goes into, for example, a portable charger is sourced locally or manufactured in-house. Lithium polymer and lithium ion batteries are just 2 components that no factory in India even makes. There are in fact only 2 or 3 countries that have factories for lithium ion batteries. So these are some components that we will have to import, and it's sort of a request to the Indian government to maybe subsidize these areas that we can do more local purchasing as such. We are doing a lot of contract manufacturing and OE manufacturing for a lot of our principals like Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai Motors, Swiss Military, and a lot of other automakers in the industry. And we are supplying them with car accessories like car chargers, auxiliary cables, data cables, even car air purifiers are some of the items that we manufacture in our assembly lines in Manesar and in Mahipalpur. Now, we want to grow this portfolio, and it is expected to grow by about 1.5 times in the coming year because the automakers' demands to us have increased significantly over the past couple of months after COVID. And we hope that this growth will be with us for as many years to come. We want to continue our good run of adding new technology and innovative products to our category. Apart from that, I really want to focus on the software-hardware bridge that we spoke about earlier and that we currently rely on for our sourced countries. Because the software programming of the chipsets that go into maybe a Bluetooth device or a portable charger or a travel charger with the smart ID chips. We want to do the programming of those chips in India as well. There is one company that is actually doing a very good job of it in India, known as Dixon, and we want to follow in their footsteps. And we believe that that is the future. The demand is going to shift slowly into more customized needs of software with the hardware components. So Colgate has a very cordial relationship in the industry. We were actually the first movers, and then slowly we've seen a lot many brands come up around us. And it's been an amazing journey that we've been able to add so many products and new innovation to this industry. And then, as I enumerated earlier, that technology changes so fast that we really need to keep up with it and then bring those new products to India as well. And Make in India, as the Prime Minister's office is also very bullish about, is what we also imbibe in our values, and we want to localize as much as of our manufacturing and services as possible going forward.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.